parts. Hammer has 2 points. Hammer has 2 sections. Hammer has 2 components, a head and a handle. Okay. This is the example yang agak lebih complicated dari sekedar simple description of hammer. Ada 8 poin atau 8 item di sini. So this is the example. The head includes the face of the hammer, the neck, the claw, and the eye. The handle has a grip to attach to it. Okay, so this is the how to mention the components or the parts of an object. For example, dumbbell, previously barbell or dumbbell. How many components or how many parts does it have? Three parts. What are they? The left, the right, and the grip. Okay. The left and the right, it's this same. What do you call the left and the right?
Head and claw.
Ban.
Bebannya, weight-nya. Weight-nya. Okay, right. The weight and the grip. Okay, right. Previously apa tadi? Rolling pin or roller brush. How many components does it have?
Two, miss.
Two? What are they?
Three.
The grip and the brush.
The roller.
And the brush. The roller and the grip. Okay, the grip and the brush and the roller and the grip. And then how about this part?
Three, miss.
Apa itu namanya?
Pengait.
Attach-nya. Oke, nanti kamu cari ya. Ini namanya apa? Konektornya ini disebut apa gitu. Rolling pin itu bentuknya cuma kayak gini doang kan? Nggak ada lagi bentukan lainnya kan? Atau ada lagi?
Ada, miss, yang panjang.
Yang panjang? Maksudnya ada tangkainya di sini?
Gripnya panjang banget tuh.
Ditambahin.
Buat cat atap.
Itu kan ada additional ditambah kayu gitu kan?
Yes, miss.
Atau dari pabrikannya emang panjang gripnya?
Ada yang ditambah, ada yang memang panjang.
Oh, ada yang ditambah, ada yang memang panjang. Oke. But basically bentukannya cuma kayak gini doang kan? Nggak ada yang rolling pin-nya melekat ke grip kan? Nggak ada? Nggak ada ya? Pasti punya konektor yang ini ya?
The smaller one, miss.
The smaller one? Is it similar? The shape? Is it similar or different? Still has connector or not?
Not. Like
Not.
Like the smaller one.
Like a smaller one. So the grip, the pin, the rolling pin will attach directly to the grip.
Yes.
Oh, I see. Oh, ada yang seperti itu. Right. Nah, karena tadi sama halnya dengan saw tadi, there are several several shape atau several types gitu ya. Jadi kalau kamu describing it, you have to describe it in detail. Karena yang rolling pin yang gede pasti akan punya fungsi yang berbeda dengan rolling pin yang kecil, yang seperti barusan Syara deskripsikan. So the function might be different. So when you describe it, you have to describe it in detail. for the components, the shape, and then also the function. Okay. Okay, once again, this is how to tell the components or the parts of something. You can use these verbs or you can just use this noun. Has seberapa banyak parts-nya atau seberapa banyak components-nya, you can mention it. Seperti ini, ya. So, kalau di sini, a hammer has 8 components, misalnya 8 components, ya, sebutkan satu-satu. The face, the neck, the head, the claw, and so on. Seperti itu. Sebutkan satu-satu. Nah, these components pasti attach one into another. Pasti berhubungan satu sama lain. Pasti ketempel satu sama lain. So how to describe the connection between the parts? You can use these verbs. You can use attach, detach, join, connect, support, fix, feed, lead, link, and so on. For example, the head of a hammer is fixed to the handle, or the head of a hammer is attached to the handle. Misalnya, kita mau pakai kata connect, misalnya ya. Katakanlah ini kita sebut dengan konektor, katakanlah. So the connector connect the grip and the pin. Misalnya seperti itu. Apalagi contohnya? How many components does a saw have?
2.
2? Okay. What do you call them? What do you call those two? What do you call this?
The grip.
The grip. What do you call this? The blade. Yes, the blade. So the grip or the blade is attached directly to the grip. Attached directly to the grip. Okay. So you can see the examples here. Nah, the next one is describing the characteristic. Karakteristik itu banyak lagi cabangnya atau bagiannya. Bisa material. Material itu maksudnya dia terbuat dari apa. Kemudian shape, bentuknya seperti apa. Dimension, dimension isinya kayak apa. Property, maybe it's like the weight, the length, the height, for example, the depth, for example, and then the color. The example is like this. The head of a hammer is made of metal. You can use made of, or made by, or made from. Bedanya, made by itu diikuti oleh method atau tools atau person, siapa yang membuat itu. Kayak misal the 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 questionnaire, misalnya, the questionnaire is met by using blah 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 method, using the customer method, misalnya seperti itu. Kalau made of itu attach dengan materialnya, made of metal, made of wood. Kalau made from or made with itu attach with the ingredient, bahan-bahan. Bread is made from wheat and eggs. This lotion is made with aloe vera. Seperti itu. This one made by, methodnya. The painting is made by gluing chicken feather to the sketch. Ini methodnya. Atau made by juga bisa di attach dengan nama person. Person yang membuat itu. Gitu. These are some materials, some words for materials. Kamu bisa cari sendiri nanti artinya apa. Ini maksudnya materials yang mana, nanti bisa dicari sendiri. Kamu bisa Google sendiri nanti. And then, okay, let we see several examples. Several examples. Coba kasih saya satu example yang menyatakan materials of an object. Contoh tadi, the head of a hammer is made of metal. The grip of a hammer is made of wood. The handle of a hammer is made of wood. Nah, apalagi contoh yang lainnya? Rizky?
Yes, Miss. I want to describing the characteristic of a wallet.
Wallet, okay.
Yes. This wallet is made of leather.
Leather.
Yes, the body is made by leather.
Made by or made of?
Made of by a leather.
Jangan pakai by lagi dong. Made of leather.
Made of leather. Yes.
Okay. The body of the wallet is made of leather. Okay, good. Who else?
Miss, I have a question.
Yes, Shara?
What's the difference of material and ingredient?
Material and ingredient. It's actually the context in which you use it. Material, the context, the material is usually when you tell something like construction material. You don't use ingredients of construction, but ingredients, the context is in cooking. Okay, so it's different in different contexts only. Yes, the material is used for something like construction or maybe fashion. You use material kan untuk fashion, like material of this cloth, but you don't use ingredient for fashion. You use ingredient for in the cooking context. So that's the difference is only in the context. Okay, good question. Thank you very much, Shara.
So ingredient is for cooking only, Miss?
Mostly ingredient is for cooking mostly. It's the word ingredient is usually attached to food. When you, for example, read misalnya food package, you don't find material in food package, misalnya mie goreng gitu, you don't find the word material, but you are going to find the word ingredients. So the word ingredients is usually attached to in the food context gitu.
Okay, thank you, Miss.
All right, thank you very much, Shara. Okay, other example, please.
I have one.
Okay, Shara.
Rendang is made with meat and coconut milk.
Coconut milk. Good. Yes. Rendang is made with or made from what again? Meat and coconut milk. Yes, good. Thank you very much, Shara. Others, please. Ada lagi? Oke, Kavi. Sebentar, Kavi. Saya mau nge-charge my laptop first. Oke, silakan, Kavi.
The cake is made with quality ingredients.
Okay, the cake is made with quality ingredients. Quality ingredients. Okay. Is it quality ingredients or qualified ingredients?
Kurang tahu.
Okay. Nah, right. You said previously quality ingredient. Benda apa namanya? Ingredient yang berkualitas gitu ya?
Yes.
Okay. Nah, this is actually what we called as This is actually what we called as speech part of speech. Okay. Between quality and qualified. Actually, ini berasal dari kata dasar katanya sama atau akar katanya sama, yaitu quality. Usually, part of speech ini artinya adalah jenis kata. Quality is a noun, while qualified is an adjective. Noun, kata benda, quality artinya kualitas, kata bendanya, barangnya, sementara qualified adalah kata adjektifnya atau kata sifatnya. When you want to say blah 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 ingredients, for example, you put here whether ingredients is a noun. Ingredients is a noun. Ingredients itu adalah kata benda. Nah, kalau kamu mau menjelaskan kata benda, kamu mau menjelaskan kalau benda ini, ingredients ini punya sifat tertentu. Sifat tertentunya adalah berkualitas. Nah, instead of putting quality ingredients, you use qualified ingredients. Because noun, ingredients is a noun. Noun selalu dijelaskan oleh adjective gitu. So instead of saying quality ingredients, you use qualified ingredients. We will discuss it more di semester depan, I think, about part of speech. But you know that sebuah kata benda itu penjelasnya, jika kamu mau menjelaskan sebuah kata benda, maka kata penjelasnya itu adalah kata sifat atau adjective. Misal gini, you want to describe a girl is a noun, ya. Let's say that you want to describe a girl is a noun. Kamu mau mendeskripsikan a girl ini. So, instead of saying beauty girl, beauty is a noun. kamu nggak bisa pakai noun dan noun gitu. Kamu harus pakai adjektifnya si beauty, yaitu beautiful, beautiful girl, seperti itu. So you have to attach, you have to describe a noun dengan menggunakan adjective. Nanti kita akan bahas lebih lanjut ini di mungkin semester depan. Ya, so instead of saying quality ingredients, you say qualified ingredients. Oke. Siapa tadi lagi tuh? Ali. Lamp. Okay. The bulb of the lamp is made of glass. Okay, good. Thank you very much, Ali. Andika.
The bottle is made from plastic.
The bottle, the bottle is made of or made from?
Yes,
Made of or made from? Is it material or ingredient? Plastik.
Plastic.
Ya, material atau ingredient itu. Kamu tadi pakainya made from. Enaknya pakai made from atau made of?
Made of.
Made of plastic. Yes, kalau misalnya material you use made of. Kalau dia ingredient yang tadi berhubungan sama food atau berhubungan sama apa ya namanya? Ya food ya. Rata-rata food atau misalnya kalau produk kecantikan itu juga biasanya pakai made with or made from. Tapi kalau misalnya kayak plastik itu tuh material we use made of. This bottle is made of plastic. Okay, good. Thank you very much, Andika.
Thanks,
All
Miss.
right. Nah, next, the shape or figures. Okay. Right. Ini tadi yang saya sebut, ada noun, ada adjective. Noun, if you want to use noun, ketika kamu mau mendeskripsikan shape atau figure dengan menggunakan noun, kamu gunakan pattern yang ini, subject, to be, shape like, and shape-nya, use the noun. But if you want to use adjective, kata sifat, you can use subject, to be, adjektifnya, kemudian pakai in shape, atau nggak usah pakai in shape juga nggak apa-apa. Misalnya gini, the face of a hammer is shaped like a circle. Or, the face of a hammer is circular in shape, atau circular. The face of a hammer is circular. So, mana dia? Circle. Nounnya circle, adjektifnya circular. The cone of apa namanya tuh yang orange di jalanan itu, yang untuk pembatas jalan itu namanya the cone. The cone is conical, misalnya kayak gitu. So this is how you describe shape or figures. Dimension is about the length, panjangnya, besarnya, lebarnya, tingginya, dan segala macam. The hammer is 35 cm long. The hammer has a length of 35 cm. The length of the hammer is 35 cm. The hammer is 35 cm in length. Kalau misalnya lebarnya misalnya lebarnya. The shovel is berapa tuh? 15 centimeter wide. The shovel has a width of 15 centimeter. The width of the shovel is 15 centimeter. The shovel is 15 centimeter in width. Gitu. This is a property, a spatial quality that belongs to the object. You can actually describe it. Kalau misalnya objek yang kamu deskripsikan itu punya spatial quality atau something special about that object atau something unique about that object. But if not, kamu nggak perlu describe property. And then the last one is describing the position. Describing the position, kalau misalnya you describe something complicated atau sophisticated thing, misalnya kamu mendeskripsikan motor misalnya, kamu bisa deskripsikan positionnya. The engine is inside the scooter with the headlight at the top and bla bla bla, gitu. Nah, Miss, apakah urutan pendeskripsian itu harus seperti itu? Apakah kita mendeskripsikan itu harus mulai dari yang seperti ini? Ya nggak juga. Kamu boleh acak deskripsinya, nggak perlu berurutan seperti ini juga tidak apa-apa, dan nggak perlu semua hal disebutkan. Kalau misalnya kayak tadi properti nggak ada ya nggak usah disebutin, positionnya nggak perlu dideskripsikan ya nggak usah disebutin. Okay, I have prepared 3 examples here. This is a hammer yang dari tadi kita bicarakan. Oke, ada yang bisa bantu saya untuk baca ini yang examples yang tentang hammer? Baca aja, ada yang bisa bantu untuk baca? Oke, Kavi.
Hammer is a construction tool that is used to drive nails into wood, wall, or other materials. It has two main parts: a handle and a head. The head is attached to the handle. The handle is made of wood. It is around 35 centimeter long. It is curvy, so it is easy to grip. Meanwhile, the head is made of metal. It makes the hammer heavy. The head has 2 tips. One tip of the head is circular in shape. It is used for driving the nails. The other tip is shaped like guide hoops. It is used to pull out the nails from wood or other material.
Good, thank you very much, Kavi. Okay, let's see. So here, aduh nggak bisa di ini lagi. Okay, here is the general information. Hammer is a construction tool. It is general information, and that is used to drive nails into woods, wall, or other material. This is the function. Again, you can combine the sentence or you can separate them. It's up to you. Kalau mau di-combine, ya combine pakai that. Kalau mau di-separate, ya separate. Nah, let's see here the use of it. Oke, bisa di-highlight ternyata. Let's see here the use of it. Nah, it ini refers kemana? Hammer is a construction tool that is used to drive nails into wood, wool, and other material. It has two main parts. It ini maksudnya apa? What does it refer to?
The hammer, Miss.
The hammer.
The hammer, good. So, we call it as a pronoun. We call it as a pronoun atau kata ganti. When you write, it is better for you to change words sehingga paragraf kamu tidak membosankan. It will be boring. Itu akan membosankan jika misalnya gini, hammer is a construction tool that is used to drive nails into woods, walls, and other material. Hammer has two main parts. Hammer, hammer, hammer. It will be boring. So, to make it less boring, you can use yang disebut dengan pronoun. You can use it, you can use it itu pronoun. Atau kamu juga bisa menggunakan kata ganti seperti this tool. You can also use this tool. You can also use this equipment. You can also use that. Kamu bisa pakai sinonim gitu. So, we use it to refers to atau to substitute hammer. So, it has two main parts, a handle and a head. So, bagian sini it has two main parts. Itu adalah menceritakan tentang parts or component. The head is attached to the handle. Okay, if we talk about one thing, nah ini adalah apa namanya ya? Tips ketika kamu bercerita atau ketika kamu menulis. When you talk about one thing, for example, here you talk about the head. The head is attached to the handle. The handle is made of wood. Okay, you talk about the handle here. Kalimat selanjutnya, kalau bisa itu still talk about the handle. Sehingga ada continuation antara kalimat satu dengan kalimat selanjutnya. The handle is made of wood. Oke, kalau gitu sekarang kita bicarakan handle dulu. Yang pertama materialnya si handle. The handle is made of wood. It is around 35 cm long. Okay. It is curvy, so it is easy to grip. Nah, after we finish talking about the handle, now, meanwhile, the head is made of metal. Now we are talking about the head. So, untuk membuat continuation of your writing itu enak dibacanya, selesaikan satu topik dulu. So after you talk about the handle, now you talk about the head. The head is made of metal. It makes the hammer heavy. The head has two tips. So you talk about the head, the head, the head. Now we talk about the tips now. One tip of the head is circular in shape. We talk about the tip. This one tip. Tip yang bagian sini, ujung yang bagian sini. One tip of the head is circular in shape. It is used for driving the nails. Okay, after you talk about one tip, now you talk about the other tip. The other tip is shaped like goat's hoofs. This tip. It is used to pull out the nails from wood or other materials. So when you write, everybody, the first one is you have to use pronoun or you have to change the words sehingga kalimat kamu tidak membosankan, and then you have to finish one topic at one time. Kamu harus menyelesaikan pembicaraan tentang satu topik sebelum pindah ke topik lainnya sehingga penjelasan kamu tidak bolak-balik. Okay? Now, we will see the second example. We describe a vacuum bottle. Okay, others who wants to read this? Aisyah Anjani. Okay, silakan Aisyah.
A vacuum bottle is a container which is used to keep liquid, either hot or cold, It is composed of a metal container, a glass bottle, a plastic cap, a cork, and a shock absorber. This vacuum bottle is 25 inches in height. The other part of the bottle consists of a metal container and a plastic cap. The container is cylindrical in shape, its base flat and circular. It has a diameter of 10 inches. The cap is at the top of the container. Inside the container, there is a cylindrical glass bottle with a tapering neck and a cork at the top. The glass bottle is support by a spiral shock absorber which is fixed to the base of the container. It has two walls, the inner and the outer. Between these walls, there is a vacuum to keep the liquid at, at a constant temperature.
Okay, good. Thank you very much, Aisha. Well, here we describe about vacuum bottle. A vacuum bottle is a container. Okay, this is the general information, which is used to keep liquids either hot or cold. This is the function. It is composed of metal container, a glass bottle, a plastic cap, a cork, and a shock absorber. This is a part. It is composed of. This talk about parts, but it is also combined. Beside talking about parts, it is also combined with talking about characteristics or the material. Metal container, glass bottle, plastic cap. So you can also do like this. You combine this. Atau ya kalau misalnya ini kan komponennya ada banyak. Kalau mau dijelasin nanti belakangan-belakangan mungkin akan jadi lebih panjang. So you can combine this like metal container instead of saying daripada ngomong it is composed of container, bottle, cap, cork, and absorber. Nah, nanti dijelasin lagi materialnya itu akan membuat paragraf kamu tidak efektif dan efisien. Jadi kita bisa menggabungkan menjelaskan dua hal dalam satu kalimat. Like it is composed of a metal container, a glass bottle, a plastic cap, a cork, and shock absorber. This vacuum bottle is 25 inches in height. So it talks about the property again. The outer part of the bottle consists of metal container and plastic cup, and blah blah blah. Nah, karena ini bendanya a little bit more complicated, so the penjelasannya, the explanationnya is a little bit more complicated also. Nah, this is the simple, yang tadi hammer adalah the simple explanation. Vacuum bottle itu a little bit more complicated explanation, apalagi mixer. Mixer itu a little bit more complicated karena ada banyak komponen yang terlibat, yang ada di mixer. Okay, who wants to read about mixer? Rizky, silakan.
Thanks. A mixer is used for mixing food. The mixer is made of metal and plastic. It consists of 5 parts: a base, a stand, a mother housing, beaters, and a bowl. The base is rectangular in shape. It is 20 cm wide and 15 cm long. The stand, which is supported by the base, is 30 cm in height. The mother housing, which contains a motor, is joined to the stand. The steel beaters are very hard and tough. They are fit in the gearbox. Fit.
Fitted.
Fitted. They are fitted in the gearbox. The glass ball is hard and brittle. The edge of the ball is circular. The glass ball is detached from the base.
Okay, the glass ball is detached from the base. Okay, good. So it explains about mixer. So mixer basically have 5 parts: a base. This one is a base, and then a stand. This one is a stand. Motor housing, beater. This one is beater, and this one is a ball. And then this description explain one by one. The base is rectangular in shape. So this one is the base. It is rectangular in shape. It's around 12 centimeter wide and 15 centimeters long. The stand is 30 centimeters in height. The motor housing contains a motor joined to the stand. The steel beater, this one is the steel beater atau apa namanya tuh pengaduknya, fitted in the gearbox. This one ada yang namanya gearbox. Jadi this steel beater is fitted into gearbox. And then this one is the bowl. The bowl is made of glass. It is hard and brittle. The edge is circular also, and to be fit with the base. Nah, the glass bowl is detached from the base. It should be fit with the base. Okay, so these are 3 examples of how to describe an object. Ada yang simple, ada yang a little bit more complicated, ada yang complicated. Nah, what I want you to do after this is that we still have time. We still have time for about maybe around 1 hour. What I want you to do is to find an object that you want to describe. But the object that you have to describe is the object related to construction, engineering, building construction engineering. So there are so many objects yang bisa kamu temukan di study program kamu. Nah, kamu pilih salah satu. I hope that there is no people who choose the same object. So, dari berapa orang di sini ada 31 students. I hope that all of you choose different object. Only one object. And you cannot explain hammer anymore karena kita sudah bicarakan hammer di handout-nya. Choose other things. And then you write it down. You compose it. You write it down. Yeah. And then you submit it at least tonight. Can you? Do you have any class? Do you have any other class after this?
Yes, Miss.
Oh, you still have. Okay. Maybe Wednesday. Wednesday libur kan? Maybe Wednesday. So I give you time until Wednesday jam 6 sore. I will give you time until Wednesday at 6 in the afternoon to submit this task. Once again, you have to choose one tool or one equipment from building construction. From civil engineering lah, nggak usah from building construction, nanti takutnya sedikit. Jadi from civil engineering, choose one tool from civil engineering, and then describe it, write a description, and then attach the picture. Nah, if it is possible, I hope you can attach this kind of picture. Jadi bukan picture yang mentah seperti ini aja, tapi I hope that you can find the picture dengan part seperti ini. Atau kamu mau create picture sendiri, kamu mau garis-garisin sendiri ya, up to you. Gitu. Jadi attach the picture yang ada partnya, kemudian kamu jelaskan. Make an explanation about this object. Okay, and the deadline is hari Rabu jam 6 sore. Okay, any question everyone?
How long is the text?
Depend on the object that you choose, but I hope that you don't choose very simple object. Jangan deskripsikan paku misalnya. Ya, itu juga 2 kalimat kelar ya. Kalau kamu deskripsikan paku gitu ya. Itu 2 kalimat kelar. Jangan deskripsikan benda-benda yang sangat-sangat simple juga gitu. Jadi the length of the description-nya ya tergantung benda apa yang kamu pilih. Okay? Next week we will discuss it. Mungkin juga kalau bisa kita akan discuss tugas kamu yang 2 minggu lalu. Okay. Any questions before we dismiss this class?
Miss, ini teh dijelasinnya per poin gitu, Miss, kayak ini.
Iya, bikin paragraf kayak contoh. Kalau misalnya poinnya ada 8, ya pasti harus disebutkan masing-masing poinnya. Kayak gini tadi, ini kan poinnya ada 5 nih. Yang ini nih, kan poinnya ada 5 nih. It consists of 5 parts. Ya kan dia jelasin masing-masingnya nih. The base dia jelasin, the stand dia jelasin, motornya dia jelasin, the steel beaternya dia jelasin, the ball-nya dia jelasin, gitu.
Oke, Miss. Thank you.
Oke.
Miss ditulis atau diketik?
Ketik dong, jangan ditulis pakai tangan. Nanti saya nggak bisa baca. Oke, ketik aja. Ketik tapi jangan kopas. Nanti saya bisa tahu kalau kamu kopas dari internet. Kamu boleh pasti ide kamu bisa, makanya saya sarankan kamu pilih benda yang kamu ngerti gitu, benda yang kamu ngerti, atau yang simple but not too simple, but still ya saya nggak menyarankan kamu untuk mendeskripsikan eskavator juga kalau misalnya itu susah, tapi kan ada benda-benda lainnya di teknik sipil yang komponennya nggak terlalu banyak, tapi nggak sesimpel paku. Misalnya kayak apa ya namanya itu yang stand yang untuk surveying itu. Nah, itu kan simple itu. Kamu nggak familiar ya dengan stand yang buat surveying? Apa udah dikenalkan dengan
Theodolit, Miss.
Oh, Oke, ada lagi pertanyaan? Kalau nggak ada, miss this class. I hope that tidak ada yang terlambat untuk submission-nya. Bentar lagi saya akan share di Google Classroom tempat kamu submit-nya. Okay? Thank you very much for your participation this morning, everyone. See you next week. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you. Thank you.